Hey, how's everybody doing today, guys? Hopefully everybody's doing great, having a good time wherever you're at. So in this episode, I'm just going to show you guys how to install this, your cabinet door handles or hardware. So in this case, we're going to use it right here in line with this one right here. Very simple. All you have to do is measure from edge to edge, and in this case we got 2.5. Okay, so half of 2.5 is 1.25. All right, so you can mark it 1.25 to center, but this jig is going to make your life a whole lot simpler. Okay, it's made by Greg. I'm not getting paid or anything. I just like using their stuff. Just make it simple. If you buy one of these things, it's going to make your life a whole lot easier. So I already have it dialed in at 3 inches. That's the size of the spacing from here to here of the hardware itself. So on the back side, it's got a couple little adjustments here. This one you can space it out, space it in, simple. And over here, you got the other offset from here to here, okay? So you got a couple ones. There's 3 factors that you're gonna consider. Spacing of your handles or doorknobs, whichever one. Spacing from your edge to the center, and then spacing from here to wherever you're gonna center it. In this case, we're just gonna go here. So the bottom is gonna be there. So I got about 1 inch from here to here, okay? So I put a mark here with my tape, okay? And it's already marked, ready to go on both sides. So I go one side, and then I flip it over, do the other side. And you're gonna need a drill bit, 3/16, okay? 3/16 size. That's the size of drill bit that you need. And the rest is pretty simple. All right, guys, so let's go to work. So we're just gonna put it right there. Another thing you wanna do is you wanna, if you have a clamp, you can also clamp it, okay? In this case, since I've done quite a few of these, so I'm just gonna use my hand to hold it. But if you're kind of nervous, you can see, if you're kind of nervous, you can get a clamp it together, and that's all you need. I got a mark right there, center, spacing, so everything's ready to go. Just come in here with your drill bit. Make sure you don't have your hand back there, okay? Right there. That's it, guys. All right, so once you have that done, and then all you have to do is just put in a couple of screws, okay? So you come in here, start it with your fingers on the back side just to catch a little, and then go ahead and do the bottom side, same thing. And then once you're done with that, just come in with your drill, and don't over tighten it too hard, just enough. That's it. Simple as that, guys. So, and all you have to do is repeat the process. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the next one, okay? So this one was like this, right? So now I'm just gonna flip it over this way. All right, so everything's lining up. So now it's time to drill. So that's been drilled. We'll repeat the process here. If you have a little tear out, it's not a big deal, guys. This is gonna cover it up, and it should not be much tear out anyway, depending on the drill bit that you got that you're using. So once that's that, just come here. That's it, guys. So simple as that. So I'm not gonna bore you to death to put every single one here, but as you can see, got all this to do. So I'm just gonna put it on time lapse, and I'm just gonna do the top ones. Of course, on the bottom, we're missing a few door steel that we're gonna go ahead and we're making as we speak at the shop. So once we have those done, we'll come in here and install them, but I'm gonna keep on rocking. So I already got this one here. I'm just gonna finish this here. Pretty much finish all my other ones. All right, guys, so like and subscribe. Simple tip, how to pull door handles, okay, guys? Thank you very much. See you on the next one.